It's always good enough. Homemade butter.
Makes me giggle. Giggle, giggle.
So, heavy whipping cream from Costco runs $10.
Plus tax.
Plus tax, sure. You're adding how much salt now?
This is about a teaspoon of salt
A teaspoon of salt.
with my palm.
Very precise measurements
Makes
around
me
here.
laugh. Makes me laugh, Dada.
Yeah. But why do we make our own butter now?
Ooh,
Because
proud.
it's less expensive.
It's less expensive, definitely. $10 for a half a gallon.
Makes about two square glass
So
Tupperware
that's probably
containers.
about four large
Don't forget
butter
the
containers, so that's
lemon.
about $40.
Get your shoes on.
Oh, it is robust.
Ta-da!
Make sure all your lid and equipments are all fast,
Yeah, right?
fast and secure, so you don't actually like spit this all over the place.
Because making better butter, better butter, good
Better butter,
But wee.
but it's
It's-
cheaper, yeah. So we save probably roughly $30.
No, it's actually more expensive now. The
Because the
butter.
container used to be what, $10 for a butter container?
Yeah, so we bought Land O'Lakes all the time.
Yeah, Land O'Lakes, and that's
About
and then $10. I thought they were $10 for the big
$6 for the
ones.
small ones, about that big,
Yeah.
and $10 for that one.
So for $10 half a gallon, you're gonna see two
Square.
square
Tupperware.
Pyrex
Yeah,
containers.
Pyrex containers. And it takes about a half hour, give or take, to actually make the butter on the medium speed. You don't want to go any higher. So what happens is you got to go past the whipping cream phase.
Come on, we gotta get you to school.
Okay.
So these containers, you can get about 2 of these, give or take. So the great thing about using the whipping cream is, the heavy whipping cream, is you get 2 things. You get buttermilk and you get butter out of it. So you just basically whip the hell out of it. Or like I say to the kids, you beat the hell out of it.
Here's my backpack.
So, you know, spilled rotten. I get the KitchenAid and you just put it on medium speed for, like I said, you've got about a half hour, and I pause it during the time, use a spatula, and I push it down so I can get as much as possible. But yeah, it's messy, quite messy, hence protection. Yeah, you can pause the mixing and scoop it out once you get to have too much on the sides, which is what I am doing here. As husband is coming back up after dropping Spawn off at the bus. Remember, resist the urge to lick your fingers. It's salted whipping cream. It's gross.
My wife is sitting on top of the table making butter.
Too short for each. Yes, now it's starting to separate. You can tell when it's about to start to separate, when it starts turning yellow. Look how yellow it's turning. A good indication is when you start seeing the buttermilk stick to the sides. So at the end, you have this, and it's all nice and crumbly and pretty with buttermilk. And then, woo! What did I do? Blah. There we go. So you stick your hands in and you piece it together. You give it a nice good squeeze. Get a bowl of cold water. It says ice water, but really there's not much of a difference between ice water and cold water in my book. Because you just got to rinse the buttermilk off of it. Oh,
you okay?
Are you okay? What happened? You hit it? Back in October of last year, actually we're going on a year now.
Yeah, I think we've been making butter homemade for about a year.
I woke up one Sunday morning and I couldn't hear out of my left ear. Still don't know why. A year later, doctors don't know why. Had surgeries afterwards. Major surgeries, not just little itty bitty surgeries, major surgeries.
Hi.
And in between, hi bud. In between those major surgeries, it came to light that I'm allergic to the world. Not just little allergies, formaldehyde and all subcategories. And formaldehyde is in everything. It's in soaps, it's in conditioners, it's in shampoos, it's in your laundry detergent, it's in anti-wrinkle in your clothing. It's in carpets, it's in fibers, it's everywhere. You can't avoid it. It's in foods, it's a chemical that your body naturally produces. It's everywhere. And on top of that, Carbamix. What's Carbamix, you might ask? Nitrile gloves. That's a good one. Neoprene, spandex. And on top of that, all trees, all weeds, all molds. The newest one to add to it is cashews. We knew I was allergic to grass. We didn't know how bad I was allergic to grass.
I think to sum it all up, just
Allergic to everything. And I have adult asthma now, which is wonderful. It's great. It's just great. So I decided that instead of avoiding everything, I'm just going to start making my own stuff. So on that list, instead of guessing and second guessing if I can have the oils that are in butter, I'm just going to make my own butter. So with that fat container of stuff from Costco, you get this much butter, this block of butter, and that much buttermilk. Which I'm not going to pick that up because that's just a bad idea waiting to happen.
I don't know where your cheesecloths are.
Okay, then never mind.
You just leave it.
Yeah, we'll just leave it. So, yeah, this needs to be washed so I can put the, we're gonna do olive oil. So one of the things that I figured out in adventuring with the oils is avocado oil, when you mix it, because this right here is not spreadable. If you try to put this right there, this isn't spreadable on its own. So you have to mix an oil with it to make it obviously spreadable.
So what are we doing now?
Yeah, I already said it.
No. You have butter on your glasses.
I have butter on my glasses? Really?
It's all caught on camera.
Ew. Of course it is. There's nothing glamorous about doing anything natural. If anybody tells you that, they're lying. Okay, so
Yeah, how are you measuring this?
I don't measure anything. I don't measure a damn thing. So online, it'll tell you, put a, whatever is that, match it with milliliters for avocado oil or olive oil. I don't do that, that's too much oil. So I just put enough to make it smooth.
To where it spreads easily?
Oh, well, it still doesn't spread easily. And I add as I go.
Yeah, so you're watching consistency.
Yeah, I'm watching for consistency. If it'll smooth out eventually. And it's going to be messy. Like I said, if anybody tells you that it's not going to be messy, don't do it. And here is where you can add more salt if you want, but I don't because I'm watching my blood pressure. I've got 4 kids, I need to watch my blood pressure. You see? So like I said, this is the phase where you can add, actually anything. You can add garlic and herbs, thyme, salt. This would be the phase to do it. I haven't done anything fancy like that because, quite frankly, I haven't thought about it until recently. But we use a lot of butter for cooking and baking and, ooh, yeah, that was pleasing. Yeah, we go like this. And we'll go like this. But like I said, if anybody says don't be messy with baking and making butter or making anything homemade, don't listen to them. Get messy, get down and dirty.
Yep, get down and dirty. Be proud of something you made yourself. Take pride in it, right?
Because if you're not getting dirty, you're not doing it right.
Are you enjoying life if you're not dirty?
Oh, that's a big glob. Ugh. Ooh, it's nice and whipped this time. It's fluffy.
Just trying to get all the air out of it now.
Yeah.
Pack it into corners.
Typically, I don't use my hands, but this time I felt like using my hands.
Oh, so you're getting down and dirty, right?
Yeah, getting down and dirty. Yuck. hoping it would help. Yeah. With William crunching in the background.
You know, it just shows that it's just a normal family life, you know? There's no such thing as perfection.
Nobody's perfect. Why be perfect when you can be you?
And if you're here to watch something that's going to be perfect, and
You're at the wrong
you're
place.
at the wrong place, man. That's why it's called wild living and dirty nerd.
Do we have a smaller one? Because I think it's going to be 2.5.
Oh, you want a small round one?
Yeah.
One, two.
Num 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 num. Num num num. Yeah. You're showing me your feet. I don't want to see your stinky feet. Yeah. Here we go. Perfect.
Dad.
What is that? What is that? That's paint that needs to go away.
Blue.
Blue? Black and purple.
All your guys' arts and crafts all over the house.
What did I step on? Oh, that's just the kids' arts and crafts. Oh, is it important? Oh, I hope not. A normal conversation.
Depends on what day of the week if it's important.
We'll hide it before they find out.
No.
Stuff it back to where we found it. Maybe they won't notice. Isn't that what the kids say to us?
Okay, so you're not going to need the second container.
No. See? 2.5. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's every parent's thought anyway. Crap, we broke it. Hide it from the kids. Maybe we can buy a new one before they figure it out it's broken.
Alright, so in conclusion, half gallon of heavy whipping cream has produced this much butter.
2.5 containers.
Yeah, anything else you want to say?
Here.
No, besides what's on.
Have fun and get messy. Have fun and get messy.
Huh? What do you say?